Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here open chain compound is given which has isoprene unit. It's a terpene and it has many double bonds in it. 3 double bond reacting with ozone, 1 molecule of it and reacting with dimethyl sulfide. Finally you have to find what will be the final product. Basically the question is about which double bond will react. Here ozonolysis means you are converting double bond into ketone or aldehyde. Terminal double bond become ketone, terminal double bond become aldehyde and inside double bond become ketone. Basically you are converting into two carbonyl groups. C double bond C converts into CO and CO. Here three double bonds are there. Which double bond will react? Mostly the electron rich double bond will react fast. Here three double bonds are there named as ABC, but A is electron rich because it attached with 3 methyl group, B attached with 1 methyl group, C attached with 2 methyl group. So reactivity of A is very high, it reacts faster. So our answer is oxidation happened at the A alkene. The concept you have to learn here is ozonolysis happened at the electron rich alkene. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.